Yeah. So amazing promo actually, first of all. At the level of screenplay, I think Teen is looking very, very interesting. It's looking very intriguing. Even in terms of commercially point of view, like it's something that people, the curiosity has been driven. You've had experience in Piku in the recent times where the writing was fantastic and it did exceptionally well as well. You've had Salim Javed, you've always given due credit to them in your success. So somehow, do you feel that maybe the writers should be getting more due somehow? We've seen a movie like Sairat recently in Marathi, and it's done exceptionally well. At the level of writing, it is exceptional. Screenplay primarily. Do you feel that the writers should be getting more prominence and maybe even in terms of film promotion as well?
Yeah, I've always felt that the writer is the main star in the film. He's not just writing a story, he's also acting it. He's also designing the set, he's designing the location. Many times responsible in designing what the character should wear, how he should move, how he should behave. They are the most important tool. We are just puppets who come and recite these lines, excuse me, that are written by these people. So yes, they are the most important people according to me. And it is the combination of the writer and the director that actually brings about the final product. And therefore, they are really important people.
Do you feel that they should get more prominence?
They already
many
are
times people say that.
Many
times people say that in terms of pay parity as well, compared to maybe West, writers don't get payments much.
I can't talk about the commerce because you know, that's between the writer and the production people. But yes, I'd be very happy to see them rise, whether commercially or as far as importance in a project is concerned. Salim Saab and Javed Saab in many ways initiators in recognizing the worth of writers in films. And I remember that in the early years when they started writing, they felt that the need to promote the writer as well in all the big posters, which was not available earlier on, was initiated by Salim Saab and Javed Saab. They actually, if I'm not wrong, they actually went out and made their own sign and they posted it on the poster just to prove that the writer is a very important person in a project. And I think after that, the writer has been given a lot of prominence, especially Salim Saab and Javed Saab. But yes, I agree with you. And I'm very happy that writers are getting awards. In the recent national awards, we had Juhi Chaturvedi win the award for Piku, and I felt delighted that she was honored because they really are the soul of the film.
Thank you, sir.